Hi guys, this is a YouTube channel, Modern and Divine Homes, and we also have another channel, cooking channel, Cook and Enjoy Recipes. So you have to subscribe that in order to stay tuned and get to know about the new and updated videos. Because in lockdown we should have something to entertain us and keep us engaged at the comfort of our home. So guys, kindly refer to my channels for getting and stay tuned to the new and updated videos. Guys, today we will learn the functioning of Philips induction cooker. So this is a very beautiful induction cooker. We are having this since 4 or 5 years, and you can see the product. It is not getting rotted anywhere, and it is not get torn anywhere, because I have seen the induction cooker in many families. I have just get to know about the functioning of that, and when I went to one of my relatives, I have seen the induction cooker full of scratches, and it is fully full of filth. So I don't like it, because you have, if you are using your goods or goodies, you have to use it carefully, like you take care of yourself. So guys, today we will know the whole functioning of this induction cooker. This is Philips induction cooker, and we are having prestige utensils for that. This is pan with the lid on it. We are having the set of that. It has a wok and one pan this, and one tawa is this, flat tawa is this, and other set of ladle and other type of spatulas are there. So more or less, you can find any company and take the these things. So let's get started. I have just on it from the switch, and just on it. When you on it, it will show you certain type of beep. Then if you want to, there are certain settings in that. This is keep warm function 120. This is manual function. So this is gravy. If you want to make gravy for any type of sabji or any type of gravy, you can use this function. If you want to make roti or dosa, you will use this function. If you want to make boiled milk or water, you will use this function. I'll show you clearly one by one. If you want to keep your tadka or anything on slow cook mode, you will use this function. If you want to make the things on stir fry mode, you will use this. If you want to make the things on deep fry mode, you will use this, because that will keep the temperature accordingly. If you want to pressure cook anything in the pressure cooker, you will use this mode. This is pause, this is preset, this is timer, this is volts or units, this is on or off. Now we will put it on mode. This is on, and this is the manual. If you don't want to use any mode, use the manual, and you can increase or decrease the temperature from here. On the manual mode, you can increase the temperature up till this much, 240 degrees Celsius. So if you want to decrease the temperature, you can just move to the left side. This is keep warm. Okay. Then if you want to use gravy function, then activate gravy function. It will be activated, and accordingly, if you want to increase or decrease the temperature, you can. Like we use the gas stoves on or off, or keeping it on simmer and medium and on high flame accordingly. If you want to cook roti, make roti or dosa, you will use this function, and again increase or decrease the temperature accordingly. Because for making dosa, you have to use various modes of many type of settings you have to do, like from medium to higher, from medium to lower, or lower to medium, like that. If you want to boil milk or water, you will use this function, and you have to increase or decrease the temperature accordingly. And if you want to this is on simmer mode, then if you will press it once again, this will come to the boil mode. If you will then the thing will be boiled within a certain temperature, 160 degrees Celsius. The thing or the product will be boiled. And again, if you will click it once more, like on 3 times, it will become on reheat. Like if you have boiled the thing, and if you want to reheat something, then you will activate this mode. So guys, there is also slow cook mode. This is a slow cook mode. So guys, you can see the thing is getting cooked, the water is boiling, and the steam is coming out, and it is a lid full of moisture outside in. So this is the thing. Then guys, this is slow cook. If you want to cook the thing on slow mode, then this is stir fry mode. If you want to cook the gravy on stir fry mode, this is deep fry. If you want to cook pakoras and all that things, you will use this mode, and you can increase or decrease the temperature. And this is the pressure cook mode. So on pressure cook mode, you can also increase or decrease the temperature like this, because pressure cook wants first of all more time. Initial time is more than that of the later time, and the things will be cooked in more time. And then you can just off it. It will be off in no time. It will just give you a beep when it will be off. So these are various settings, and there is 2 settings left. This is child lock that you can activate. This is preset, this is timer, this is unit. This is nothing to do with that. You will I have explained each and everything which you will use, which is of your business. So this is none of your business. You have to use these buttons only in order to activate the functioning of this induction cooker. So you will use this on and on, and you will never fed up with that. So use of technology should be innovative and should be for the betterment of the humanity. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel.